Installation and removal of the 1240 machine's printhead module. To begin the process, we first need to carefully remove the printhead module. Once that is done, we will then need to remove this specific screw right here. Once you have finished removing this first screw, these other two screws located right here will also need to be carefully taken out as well. Alright, after removing those, there are 6 screws here that also need to be taken out. Once we have carefully removed them, please take a moment to note that there are several small washers here, so be absolutely sure not to lose any of them. Next, we carefully lift the printhead module straight up, lift it up once more, and then gently pull it all the way out. After taking it out, there is a return tube here, a return tube. Right here is the return tube I. You can simply disconnect it now by gently pushing it all the way down, like this. Now the printhead module has been successfully detached and removed from the assembly. To install the printhead module, just do the reverse of the removal steps. Install it the same way you took it off. Be sure to first install this gasket here. Pay attention to this gasket. Just like this. The gasket must be firmly and securely snapped into the designated circular groove, ensuring it is positioned entirely within the groove, exactly like this. Next, we reconnect the return tube. Just insert it into the printhead module, push it in. It's a bit slippery. Okay, now it's connected. After connecting it, we push the module back in. Please pay close attention to the specific nozzle right here. You must be very careful with this nozzle. Gently lift it up and then carefully position the nozzle over here in this spot, exactly like this. First, secure the 6 screws. Fix these 6 screws in place first. Alright, now let's install these 2 screws. The last one, make sure it snaps into place. The groove must be properly engaged. Once it's secure, install the screw. Alright, that's the complete disassembly and installation of the 1240 printhead module.